लास्ट ईयर जब कैट दिया DILR में सिर्फ 67 परसेंटाइल. What about this year? The same section but with 99.94 percentile and overall 99.84 percentile. So this is my story from a failure to come back in CAT. कैसे comeback हुआ? Now let me tell you my CAT comeback story and it might also inspire you to have your own. मैं हूँ शुभम राणा, an engineer from NIT Jaipur in civil engineering with 3 years of work ex. स्टार्टिंग में प्लान था गवर्नमेंट जॉब का. गेट दिया, PSU के एग्ज़ाम दिए, स्टेट एग्ज़ाम्स दिए, बट आई हैड नो लक. ऐसा नहीं है कि आई कुडंट क्लियर देम. आई समटाइम क्लियर्ड द प्रीलिम्स एंड was left in the mains, and sometime I just went to the interviews and wasn't able to qualify. So it was very devastating for me. ये पहली बार नहीं था कि मैं अपने एग्ज़ाम्स क्लियर नहीं कर पा रहा. But now it was the last time. I was not enough motivated to give those government examinations. मैंने decide करा to give CAT. It was nearly August 2023. मैंने अपनी preparation start करी with like a couple of mocks in a month or 2-3 max to max. Randomly DILR के set solve करना, randomly कोई भी editorial पढ़ना. I was not organized at all. But I had a little bit overconfidence in me that I will crack the exam. Come to the D-Day, I was flabbergasted. The English was okayish, but you cannot tell how much marks did you score before even knowing the result. But when I hit the DILR section, it was very horrible for me. मेरे को पता भी नहीं चला what hit me. I couldn't even solve a single set. There were like only 4 questions or 5 questions which I could attempt, and out of them I just did 2 to 3 correct. So my morale was already down, and then hit me the quant section. The quant section was also very tough for me. Even being an engineer, the quant I find was very difficult, so I couldn't capitalize myself on the quant. Then the result came. It was very shocking for me. It demotivated me, and it told me that I do need to improve on myself. And it's not like कि बिना पढ़ाई करे और बिना मेहनत करे this exam can also be cracked. Come the year 2024, I believed in myself. I thought this is my year. मैंने खूब practice करी. I was like not disappointed with my CAT score, but motivated enough कि yes, मैं exam clear कर सकता हूँ with a good percentile. मैंने अपनी strategy बनाई. I regularly planned for the DILR sets. Because it was a very tough weakness for me. मैंने daily 2 या 3 set practice करने कोशिश करा. Last time की तरह मैंने mocks के score को बस as numbers नहीं देखा. I analyzed them. I thought where is my mistake? What am I doing? And literally after 3-4 analyzation, I realized what blunders I was making. उसके बाद come the D-Day again, CAT 2024. I had decided not to panic a lot. मेरे को काफ़ी टाइम हो गया था प्रेप करते हुए, and I was very confident about me. एग्ज़ाम गया, again the VARC section, you can't tell how it went for you because the answers are very subjective. Then comes the DILR section. First, I gave myself 2 to 3 minutes to calm my mind. After that, I started to select the easiest set of them all. I did the set और मेरे को realize हुआ that this year the DILR section is very easy. मेरे को सिर्फ 5 to 6 minutes लगे to complete the first set, then the second, then the third, then the fourth, and then the fifth. I was very honestly surprised by myself. Out of 22 questions, I attempted all of them and 20 were correct. The final score that I had, raw score, was 56 out of 66 in the DILR section, which converted down to the percentile of 99.94, and which gave me enough boost to have an overall percentile of 99.84. मेरी काफ़ी average profile है. It's like 887, and I'm very happy with what I scored. मैंने expect भी नहीं करा था कि what other calls or intros I would give. I gave intros for all the major IIMs except IIM Ahmedabad, Indore, and Shillong. And it was a very nice experience for me. Even I got calls from IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, and FMS. Now I've completed all my interviews and waiting for the final result to come. In my further down the videos, I'll discuss all the interviews, how they went, what they asked, and how I tackled all the questions. So please be tuned and do watch my videos for the further updates. मैंने कोई educator बनने के लिए CAT crack नहीं करा. मैंने अपने limits test करने के लिए CAT crack करा है. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप भी इस जर्नी पर हो, तो आपको कुछ real insight insights मिले, like how to tackle those tough DLR sets, how to prepare for those tough VRC essays, and how to deal with those quant sections. सबसे बड़ी बात, you don't need a great profile to have a great comeback. मेरा भी बहुत खराब CAT 2023 गया था, but I made a great comeback in 2024 with an average or mediocre type of profile and secured best interviews possible for my academic profile. So अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो आप भी। तक आप लोगों ने मेरी कहानी सुनी। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करता हूँ कि कैसे मैंने CAT 2024 के लिए प्रेप करा, कैसे जॉब के साथ होते हुए भी मैंने अपनी प्रिपरेशन करी, कौन कौन से मॉक्स लगाए और मेरा क्या मटेरियल था VARC, DILR और क्वांट्स के। सो प्लीज डू शेयर दिस वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब एंड बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए फॉर मोर अपकमिंग अपडेट्स टू माई दिस न्यू यूट्यूब चैनल। थैंक यू।